Yo, what is going on, everyone in the crypto space? Today I'm going to be making a video on 7 confirmed things for 2018 and why I believe 2018 will be the year for XRP to rise in value. Now, here's the first thing. DMM Japanese exchange to list XRP on January 11th. Now, you might not think that is huge, but this exchange doesn't even exist yet. But on January 11th, the company behind DMM exchange is actually one of the largest internet providers in Japan. So a larger internet provider will be launching its own exchange, and XRP is one of the seven currencies, which will bring volume and liquidity for XRP markets. This second one, not too huge, just a conference. There's a blockchain conference where Garlinghouse will be speaking there on January 26th. In terms of price action, we'll probably see a little pump a couple days before that, and then when nothing gets announced, it's going to drop. Guys, please don't expect announcements from a conference or any kind of interview or some sort of live stream. They never do that. They always do a press release, so please don't expect some sort of announcement from this blockchain conference. But it's still good news to spread the word of XRP. Now, the cross-border trials will run all the way through January 31st, and if all goes well, they will be using XRP to send money, cross-borders and domestic payments, for cross-border and domestic payments in Japan and South Korea. Now, these banks and companies that are a part of this is a part of the XRP, or the Ripple Japan Bank Consortium, which consists of 61 banks, and recently just added was 3 major credit card companies in Japan. So hopefully these trials run well, and XRP, they do see it as a fit for their business model. I think it will. I mean, XRP has been trialed so many times. I believe they're not trialing for the sake of the technology, because they already know it's going to work. But I think they're trialing in the sense of different use cases and how they could benefit the most from this kind of protocol. So, I mean, honestly, I think it's going to go well. So February could be a nice month. If the banks do come out and say, yes, it went great, we all of our banks will be utilizing XRP, we could be seeing $20 plus a coin. Who knows? The fourth thing is SBI Holdings launch exchange adding XRP. SBI Holdings is a really large bank in Japan. They were kind of the first bank to really get the first mover's advantage on Ripple. They're the first bank that really took on a confirmation of like, yeah, we want to use Ripple in the future. So they'll be launching an exchange. So again, just brings more volume and liquidity into the XRP market. The fifth one on Reddit, this is one thing he did get wrong. He said announcement of 2 household names. We know that there are 2 household names that XRP or Ripple is working with, which is great news. But he's saying 2018. That's actually not true. They never said 2018. But it'd be realistic for them to announce that in 2018. But yeah, honestly, like, guys, don't be so anxious to know what the 2 household names are. Just be glad that Ripple is working with 2 really big household names, whether that's in the U.S., Japan, or China. We don't know, but just be glad, because household names mean everyone knows what it is, so it's going to be 2 large corporations. So don't be so anxious for the announcement. Just be glad they are working with 2 large corporations that we don't know about yet. The next one is American Express adopting Ripple and XRP. In 2018, American Express should be utilizing XRP. Now, credit card companies utilizing XRP, I think that's great because credit cards are used more than cash, I believe, or is used like about similar as cash, because when I see people spending, I never see people use cash. It's mostly using a card. So with American Express being the first U.S. company to utilize XRP, that's good that credit card companies and payment providers are starting to want to get into Ripple, not just the banking system. So also those 3 major credit card companies in Japan, they are wanting to utilize it as well. So that's great that we're seeing Ripple kind of not be so like just banks. Now they're more with other payment providers that could really bring a lot of volume. And the last one here is XRP usage by SBI. Spring 2018, it is confirmed that SBI will be utilizing XRP. Now, I'm not sure if it's SBI. I'm pretty sure it's SBI. Fact check me on this. I'm pretty sure it's SBI and 31 other banks confirmed that they will be utilizing XRP in spring of 2018, guys. Not 100% on that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So, guys, that was the video for today. Those are 7 things that will be going on in 2018. I mean, 2018, I never thought that $100 a coin would be possible for the end of 2018, but right now, with all the things I just mentioned, it seems very possible to happen end of 2018, early 2019. So, guys, overall, 2018 going to be a great year for Ripple. I know the price is going down right now, but we just had a huge rally. People aren't selling it because they don't believe in the coin. They're just selling it to get in at a lower price and are kind of scared of losing money. And they want to sell at that high price, buy back into the low price, get ready for the next run. So don't be worried about the current drop in value. This is just a healthy market correction. This needs to happen if we want to keep the bull run going. I don't think the bull run stopped. There's too much good stuff going on with Ripple. So don't be worried about this this current downtrend in the price right now. Just hold for the long term, guys. Long term, this is a great choice in my opinion. Just hold for the long term. You will be in some profits. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to check the links in the description if you do want to support the channel, or go ahead and follow my Twitter account where I tweet daily. You can check out a Ledger Nano S, link in the description. It's a hardware wallet, safest wallet out there, guys. Someone literally has to come take it and know your PIN code to access your crypto. It's the safest wallet out there. It is a little hefty on the price, but I mean, I think it's worth it for your XRP potentially being worth a ton in value in the long term. So yeah, make sure to check out that link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to keep holding XRP. Do not sell. 2018 is looking bright. Thank you so much for watching this. I will see you in the next video.